Hello, it's Christine Trainor talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel, my lovely friends, as I continue on my series of tips and strategies of online marketing and much more, shall we say. And of course, as you can see, I live on the west coast of Canada, British Columbia, Canada, here in New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. And yes, I'm using a selfie stick. It's kind of fun. I love it, guys. All part of doing videos, right? It has some wonderful equipment. I do enjoy it. I got it on Amazon and it was a pretty good price. And I find I like to go like this, and I go like this, I go like this, and have a little fun while I do my videos, right? So I digress. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me give you a skinny who I am. I'm 60 years old. I'm from the West Coast Canada, British Columbia, Canada, of course, here in New Westminster, and I'm in digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur, and I have been for the past couple of years. Now, before that, for a number of years, I did outside of online marketing. I did a variety of different jobs in my lifetime to keep a roof over my head, food in the fridge, and keep a steady income. But a number of years ago, I started indirect marketing with my sister Vicki Weston, and I enjoyed it. I had a passion for it, to work online and do that. And it was enjoyable. I had fun. I made some income. But sadly, of course, the office closed, so I was carrying on to doing other work outside of the home again. But I went back to wanting to do it again. I want to go back into online marketing because that is where it is. If you want to do a home-based business and you want to work at home, but you want to be consistent and persistent, you can earn a good income. And that's what my passion lied, and that's what I wanted to do. That was my why. To earn a decent income up until my retirement years, and that's what I did. So, long story short, I sold a variety of jewelry, $3,500 worth, and I continued and pursued it. And I've earned a little bit of income. I've lost some income, I learned a lot of interesting skills and strategies. And of course, a few months ago, 5 months ago, to be told, shall we say, I started another wonderful program, a task-based education program to help with, shall we say, building my business online with Successful Solution Method, created by Amanda Ryan. And in the next segment, I have something interesting to share with you. It's all about personal development. What is it all about? So stay to the end. I have some wonderful information to share with you as well. So that being said, like and comment on my video as well as subscribe to my channel to get more of tips and strategies for online marketing beyond of all the videos I've done so far. And of course, click the link below to click the bell so the next notification of my video as well. The next one is coming up pretty soon. It'll probably be for tomorrow. Plus, I want to share one more thing, my lovely friends. Down below is so much more information of what I shared with you now about Successful Solution Method. If you need any help or you want to have more information, you want to get started, the Facebook group is down below in the link as well, where you come on and you can really be a part of it, as well as my Facebook page. If you have information you want me to share with you, I'm gladly to share with you. Just send me a message and I'm here for you as well. And of course, I'm here for you even further. I shared my cell phone. You can send me a text as well. So let's carry on to the next segment. It's just a quick little bit about personal development and how I got started further in Successful Solution Method and how wonderful it is too. So let's get on to the next segment, shall we? Hello, my lovely friends. I hope you're having an awesome day today. As you can see, it's kind of a brisk, cool morning here on the west coast of British Columbia, Canada, New Westminster to be exact. It's Christine Trainor here talking to you, of course, from New Westminster, where I live, on this beautiful kind of a cool, brisk morning. So I'm going to continue on with my chat, and whoever comes on and says hello, that's awesome too. So I tell you what, if you're checking this out live, hashtag live on where you're tuning in from, and if you're seeing this later on today, which is fine with me, hashtag replay, and I will continue on to chat with you further. I will chat with you as well. So as I continue on this beautiful, wonderful day, as you see, the sun is shining quite lovely to me. Just okay. I'm not sure who else is going to come on, but that's okay, because you know what? I shared this one thing, that all holds bar when you do a live. Sometimes it depends on what time you do it, and it's quite early in the morning here for me because I have a rather busy day. But I thought today would be a wonderful thing because I was outside. Hey, whoever's saying hello. I was outside today enjoying this morning air. Hey, Cynthia, how you doing, girl? And this is what I thought. I was doing some meditation, part of my personal development. Hence, my topic today, personal development. What is it? What is it all about? Now, I have a sort of a, shall we say, whiteboard here, but it's backwards. So I'm going to share what I wrote down here, okay? Personal development is a lifelong process, correct? Helps people to assess their skills, knowledge, and qualities, considering their goals in life in order to realize maximize their potential. Exactly, hey? Hey, Verna, how you doing, girl? So here's about 3 kind of key elements for it. Spiritual, physical, and mental. That's kind of part of it, right? So I'm going to share a few of the aspects and then my information about it. The first one is spiritual, right? As humans, we are all unique people because our spiritual qualities make us different from other, shall we say, creatures. And take some time through your day to do some spirituality, okay? Learn about it. Understand it as part of your personal development. As for this morning, I did some wonderful meditation on my balcony today here in the West Coast. And work on your spiritual, be aware of your surroundings. That's all part of it, right? Now the next one, which I really like, and that's physical. And we all heard the saying, guys, treat your body as a temple, correct, right? Well, take care of yourself through research, right? Through Google, through YouTube. Hey, Evan Nash, how you doing? Also through, shall we say, books, especially if it's from the library, if the library's still open. Hey, Deborah, how you doing, girl? What we can do is we can learn about how to eat healthy and do some healthy things in our life. Google it is amazing because you can find so much information, right? So what I'm sharing with that today, I'm basically remembering myself, okay, how I'm doing that as well. Plus physical exercise is another thing. So we're looking after ourselves healthy with healthy eating as well as physical exercise on a daily basis. It's all part of our ongoing personal development to be, because it's ongoing, right? That's indeedy. Plus I want to say one more thing. It's all part of physical is be conscious of yourself. As we take care of ourselves, we are more aware of ourselves, which boosts our self-confidence, helps us perform better in our life and the online marketing world. True, right? Now the third one I really like, it's the mental, which is all part of personal development, right? Stretching your mind, developing good thinking habits, good study habits, helping you to pursue ideas, find ways to apply them to human behavior in the online marketing space correctly, like reading books, especially self-help books, going online, learning about new skills, even on YouTube. YouTube is fantastic for that, right? Tackling difficult subjects, learning skills and strategies, giving you the edge in the online marketing world as well. Hey, Lori, how you doing? And this is part of what I want to share about with personal development as I enjoy this cool, brisk air here in the morning and the West Coast of BC, New Westminster, shall we say. And that's what I thought I'd talk about today, personal development. Because believe it or not, 5 months ago, I decided to pursue that further. I was always working on myself, spirituality, because I do meditation every day. I do my affirmations as well as my gratitude. This is part of that part. And I also am working on my physical, where I'm always researching about healthy foods and exercise on a daily basis. But as far as my mental, learning some good strategies and habits to, shall we say, increase my profitability online as well as build my business online. I was still lacking that. So 5 months ago, my lovely friends, I became a part of a beautiful platform. Beautiful platform, beautiful people. 1,700 strong right now. People that come together as one, helping each other, building their business online. And what do? We do trainings every single week with a beautiful creator who is a 7-figure earner in her own right, and she shares her, shall we say, blueprint on how to become more successful to build our business online. And through these beautiful trainings, we apply income producing activities, and with these income producing activities, we do tasks on a daily basis to help build our business online. So therefore, we are earning a residual income while we're learning. And that's a part of what I'm doing now. I'm doing the mental part. I'm doing the training every week. I attend our webinars. And believe it or not, every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern as well as 6 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Pacific time, we do a webinar. And our beautiful leader, she shares her information about this beautiful platform I'm on. She shares beautiful testimonials from our international community. and they're amazing because we're winning on a daily basis because we are taking our personal development, building our business online. It's amazing, I must say. And if you're curious, okay, and you want to check out this webinar, and you're welcome to come with me because it's this Wednesday at 7 p.m. Hit me up, message me, and I'll share with you the registration link. And every Tuesday and Wednesday mornings, I also share it on my storyline, so I'm always there. But you can hit me up and message me. And if you want to know further, hey Pharaohs, how you doing, girl? If you want to know further, okay, this is what I also say. Send me a message, hit me up, and I'll share more information about the beautiful platform I'm on and how I'm engaging, learning through personal development every single day, building my business really well, as all the members are in my beautiful community I'm a part of too. So that's what I want to share today on personal development and what it's all about. Because we are basically, it is a lifelong process. Every day we do that in our workaday life, in our personal life, in our online marketing life, correct, right? And for me, it's an ongoing thing as now that I'm 60. But this platform I'm on, these people that I'm a part of, this beautiful community as we work as one and help one another to help build our business online and earn an income while we're doing it is truly amazing. And I wanted to share with that to you today because my topic today on my Motivational Monday moment was about personal development and how I'm actually doing that through spiritual, through physical, and now through my mental with the beautiful platform I'm on too. So my lovely friends, I hope this gave you some value because I always want to share as much value and enrichment as I can on a daily basis. Plus, my lovely friends, I'm off for a couple of days. I have a medical procedure to deal with, so I may not be around as much. But I will be around as much as I can in the next few days as well to share some more enrichment and value to you. So if you're curious, if you want more information, like I said, hit me up. I have information I'll share with you. Plus, if I'm here to help whatever I can. If you need some help on anything as well, my lovely friends, send me a message and I'm there for you too. So I want to thank you, of course, to Verna. Oh, it's so cold here. Thank you to all my lovely friends. I think it was Verna. Linda. Thank you for coming on. Thank you all my lovely friends coming on. It's a little bit chilly, so I can't get my fingers up there. Moguez, thank you for coming on as well. Check out my replay, of course. Hashtag replay if you check this out later on today. And of course, if you're live, let me know where you're tuning in from and check it out later on today. So my lovely friends, I love you all. Keep rocking, my entrepreneurs. And of course, like I always say, see you on the other side to success. My lovely friends who are coming on to say hello. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.